Woodpeckers. Table of Contents. Life in the Forest. 4. Busy Beaks. 12. Forest Foods. 16. Grocery. 22. To learn more. 23. Index. 24. Life in the Forest. Woodpeckers are made for life in the trees. These birds can be found around the world. They live well in the forest biome. Downy woodpecker. Downy woodpecker range. Pileated woodpecker. Woodpeckers have beaks that are adapted for pecking trees. Their sharp beaks chip away wood. Small feathers keep wood chips out of the bird's nostrils. Beak. Woodpecker feet have 2 forward toes and 2 backward toes. The toes grip the tree trunks while the birds are peeking. Red-billed woodpecker. Strong tail feathers help them balance. Tail feathers. Most woodpeckers have long tongues. Some tongues have sticky salvia. Common flicker tongue. Others have small barbs. These help woodpeckers pull food from holes. Special adaptations. Sharp beak. Long tongue. Feet with 4 toes. Strong tail feathers. Busy beaks. Woodpeckers chip holes in trees with their beaks. They use the holes for nests. Their eggs stay safe high above the forest floor. Nest. Woodpeckers also peck to communicate. They rap on trees, posts, or even houses. These sounds help them find mates or mark territory. Downway woodpecker stats. Conservation stats least concern lifespan up to 5 years. Forest foods. Woodpeckers eat a lot of insects. They stick their tongues inside the holes they create to reach food. Middle spotted woodpecker. They also catch insects on tree trunks or branches. Woodpecker diet. Carpenter ants, white pine cones, poison ivy berries. Many woodpeckers also eat tree sap. They peck small holes into trees to lick it up. Others prefer seeds or fruit. Some woodpeckers store food to eat later. Hairy woodpecker. Woodpeckers keep insect pests under control. Squirrels, owls, and other animals use old woodpecker nests. These birds help keep forests healthy. Glossary. Adapted. Well suited due to changes over a long period of time. Barbs. Small hooks. Biome. A large area with curtain plants, animals, and weather. Communicate. To share information and feelings. Insects. Small animals with 6 legs and hard outer bodies on insect's body is divided into 3 parts. Mates. Partners. Nostrils. The 2 openings of the nose. Salvia. A watery flood in the mouth that breaks down food. Sap. Juices flowing inside trees. Territory. The land area where one animal lives. To learn more, at the library. Murray, Julie Woodpeckers, Minneapolis, Minnesota, Abdo, Publishing 2020. Sabiko, Rebecca, Pileated Woodpeckers, Minneapolis, Minnesota, Bellwether Media 2018. Stats Leo Woodpeckers, Minneapolis, Minnesota, Abdo, Zoom 2018. On the web. Fast Surfer. FastSurfer.com gives you a safe, fun way to find more information. Go to www.fastsurfer.com. Enter woodpeckers into the search box and click. Select your book cover to see a list of related content. Index. Adoptions. 6, 11. Barbs. 11. Beaks. 6, 7, 11, 12. Biome. 5. Communicate. 14. Eat. 16, 18. Eggs. 13. Feathers 7, 9, 11. Feet 8, 11. Food 11, 16, 17, 18, 19. Insects 16, 17, 20. Mates 14. Nests 12, 13, 20. Nostrils 7. Picking 6, 8, 14, 18. Range 5. Salvia 10. Sap 18. Status 15. Territory 14. Toes 8, 11. Tongues 10, 11, 16. Trees 4, 6, 8, 12, 14, 17, 18.